Hello everyone. The planet Saturn will be in retrograde starting June 2024. As a major planet in astrology, Saturn's retrograde will bring significant changes to our lives. Let's explore what this means. From June 29th to November 15th, 2024, Saturn's retrograde will prompt a period of deep reflection, especially in our love lives and relationships. Aligning with this energy can lead to harmony and peace. When Saturn moves backward in its retrograde, it affects us both individually and as a society. As one of the slow-moving planets, Saturn's influence is profound and lasting. Saturn is associated with justice, honesty, integrity, loyalty, discipline, and karma. It rewards and challenges us based on our actions. If you are loyal, disciplined, honest, and hardworking, Saturn supports you. But if you lie, cheat, or manipulate, you weaken Saturn's influence in your life. How you treat those who work for you also matters. Paying your employees on time and treating them with respect strengthens Saturn's support. With Saturn on your side, you can achieve great things. Saturn's steady, consistent journey is often symbolized by an elderly man representing wisdom gained over time. Retrograde or vacry motion happens when a planet appears to move backward. When it starts moving forward again, it's called direct motion. During these 4.5 months, expect a roller coaster of emotions. Vedic astrology tells us that Saturn's retrograde will push us to look within for answers to unresolved issues. This period of introspection can bring anxieties to the surface, but also the opportunity for profound personal growth. Those committed to finding solutions will experience significant transformation and emerge stronger. This energy shift will bring about major self-growth. In this video, we will discuss how Saturn's retrograde from June 29 to November 15, 2024 will impact each of the 12 zodiac signs and provide practical tips on navigating these changes. Let's take a look at how Saturn's retrograde from June 29 to November 15, 2024 will affect Aries. During this period, Saturn will be in your 12th house, which represents the unseen realm. This means you will experience surprising changes and profound personal growth. You will do a lot of inner work leading to long-term development. Your dreams will be particularly significant, offering ideas, solutions, and insights that can shape your future. Analyzing these dreams will provide valuable guidance. This retrograde will also transform how you view friendships and social interactions. You might realize that some friends are not true to you, prompting you to be more selective about who you allow into your inner circle. This focus on quality over quantity will improve your social life. You may also question your relationships with loved ones if they do not align with your plans and dreams, leading you to set boundaries or reassess your commitments. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impact, Aries natives should consider brushing their teeth with a neem stem or using toothpaste containing neem. This remedy is believed to attract Saturn's blessings. Let's explore how Saturn's retrograde from June 29 to November 15, 2024 will affect Taurus natives. During this period, Saturn will be in our 11th house, influencing your social standing and reputation. Your business networking skills will improve, attracting many friends and colleagues interested in collaborating with you. You will engage more with the outer side world while maintaining inner peace. In your romantic relationships, you may find yourself reassessing your values. Focusing more on your career and professional goals might create some distance between you and your partner or change your relationship dynamics. This period will require you to be more serious and responsible in your relationships. You might question whether your relationships support your future goals or hinder them. To enhance the positive effects and reduce any negative impacts, Taurus natives should consider donating shoes to those in extreme poverty on a Saturday. This kind of kindness is believed to bring Saturn's blessing. Let's explore how Saturn's retrograde from June 29 to November 15, 2024 will impact Gemini. During this period, Saturn will be in your 10th house, affecting your professional life. The 10th house, associated with fame and career success, will help you gain recognition in your field. Your focus will be on your work, offering you the chance to excel professionally. This phase also provides an opportunity to closely examine your relationships. Are they strong and stable? Or do they have weak foundations? Now is the time to address any ongoing issues or problems you have ignored. Saturn encourages you to be honest and rational in your relationships, helping you choose those that align with your long-term goals and values. This period is ideal for personal growth and improving your relationships. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negative impacts, Gemini natives should treat their staff, juniors, and home caretakers with respect and dignity and ensure timely payment of their salaries. This will help strengthen Saturn's support in your life. Let's look at how Saturn's retrograde from June 29 to November 15, 2024 will affect Cancer. During this period, Saturn will be in your 9th house, encouraging higher levels of thinking and learning. As a result of Saturn's retrograde, some Cancerians might plan trips or embark on new adventures. In your love life, you may face some challenges. This period will push you to deepen your intimacy with your partner and seek a deeper understanding of each other's emotions. However, feelings of restraint or difficulty expressing emotions could lead to misunderstandings or emotional distance. To avoid conflicts, be open and transparent about your feelings and thoughts. Take this time to reflect on past relationships and address any unresolved issues. To enhance the positive effects and reduce any negative impacts, Cancer natives should remain faithful to their partners as Saturn values honesty and integrity. Let's explore how Saturn's retrograde from June 29 to November 15, 2024 will impact Leo. During this period, Saturn will be in your 8th house, bringing hidden things to the surface. Saturn's retrograde in Pisces 2024 will lead to significant transformations. There is also a possibility of inheriting money. This period will prompt you to evaluate your relationships. Are there patterns or behaviors that need to change? Saturn's influence will encourage you to be more responsible and mature in your interactions, fostering deeper connections with others. It's a time for honesty with yourself and your loved ones, even if it means having tough conversations. Singles may find this period revealing, helping them focus on finding a serious and reliable partner. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negative impacts, Leo natives should help blind people. Consider donating or volunteering at schools for the blind, as this will strengthen Saturn's influence in your chart. Let's explore how Saturn's retrograde from June 29 to November 15, 2024 will affect Virgo natives. During this period, Saturn will be in your 7th house, enhancing your intimacy and love bond with your spouse or partner. Business partnerships will also play a crucial role during this time. It's important to stay calm and avoid reacting during any arguments. You might become more critical of yourself and your partner, possibly leading to oversensitivity or overthinking. This is a time for honesty with yourself and your partner. If you have been neglecting your wellness or letting work take over, Saturn retrograde will force you to address this. Prioritize self-care and healthy eating, as this will benefit both you and your relationships. Communicate openly with your partner and work together to find ways to manage stress. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negative impacts, Virgo natives should try to follow a vegetarian diet and avoid alcohol. Saturn favors a lifestyle that respects life and promotes well-being. Let's examine the impact of Saturn's retrograde on Libra from June 29 to November 15, 2024. During this period, Saturn will be in your 6th house, helping you address and resolve challenges. You will be able to manage and learn from any problems that arise. Avoid taking loans or getting into debt, as this could disrupt your finances for a long time. Your love life might face some hurdles. Dates could be rescheduled, conversations might feel awkward, and new relationships may develop slowly. Saturn encourages you to slow down, be patient, and wait for the right moment. This planet helps us strengthen our foundations, so be open and honest in your communication. If things are not going well, it might be time to reconsider your choices. Take a break from distractions, skip the fancy dinners, and focus on self-discovery. To increase the positive impact and to pacify the negative impact of Saturn's retrograde impact from 29th June 2024 to 15th November 2024, Libra natives should use this period to reflect on past actions and recognize where fear or restrictions may have held them back. Patience is key, as Saturn's slow nature might delay results. Stay focused on your long-term goals. Let's explore the impact of Saturn's retrograde on Scorpio from June 29 to November 15, 2024. During this time, Saturn will be in your 5th house, which highlights pleasure and entertainment in your life. Be mindful not to overindulge and strive to maintain balance. Spend quality time with your children and help them grow into better versions of themselves. This retrograde is a reminder to look inward and ensure your emotional foundation is strong. In relationships, you may seek more emotional assurance and stability. Reflect on past family and home life moments, addressing any unresolved issues that may hinder your current relationships. Establish boundaries with loved ones and relatives to maintain a healthy mental state. Learn to say no when necessary, without feeling guilty or selfish. To increase the positive impact and to pacify the negative impact of Saturn's retrograde impact from 29th June 2024 to 15th November 2024, Scorpio natives should incorporate meditation into their daily routine. Meditation can help manage stress and anxiety, providing clarity and insight during this introspective period. Let's examine the impact of Saturn's retrograde on Sagittarius from June 29 to November 15, 2024. During this period, Saturn will be in your 4th house, affecting those planning to invest in real estate or upgrade their vehicles. If possible, hold off on investments and avoid rushing into decisions. Pay special attention to your mother's well-being and fitness and consider taking her on an outing or religious trip. You might find it challenging or articulate your ideas clearly during this retrograde. You might find it challenging to articulate your ideas clearly during this retrograde. Misunderstandings or difficulties in expressing your thoughts and emotions to your partner could arise. This is a time to listen more and avoid making hasty conclusions. Honest communication can strengthen family bonds. Frequent work travels may occur, so maintain consistent communication with your partner to show how much you care. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate the negative impacts of Saturn's retrograde, Sagittarius natives should lead an organized life. Saturn values structure and discipline, so organizing your living and working spaces can improve productivity and clear mental clutter. Let's examine the impact of Saturn's retrograde on Capricorn from June 29 to November 15, 2024. During this period, Saturn will be in your third house, enhancing your connections with those around you. Your intuition and natural instincts will be heightened, helping you make timely and wise decisions. You may reconsider what is truly important in your relationships. This retrograde period invites you to reflect on whether your current relationships align with your values and long-term goals. You might seek to build more stable and secure relationships based on loyalty, commitment, and careful planning. Use this time to address trust issues and deepen your connection with your partner. Additionally, reassess how you handle finances within your relationships. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negative impacts of Saturn's retrograde, Capricorn natives should avoid wearing torn clothes, including socks and innerwear. Saturn values neatness and respect, so presenting yourself well can attract a positive energy. Let's explore the impact of Saturn's retrograde on Aquarius from June 29 to November 15, 2024. During this time, Saturn will be in your second house, making it an ideal period to revisit and refocus on your investment goals. Be mindful of your words to avoid hurting loved ones and damaging relationships, and prioritize spending quality time with your family. This retrograde is a time to reassess your self-image and relationships. Reflect deeply to ensure you are being authentic and true to yourself. You may become more attentive and serious about your partner, gaining a better understanding of commitment and reliability. This period offers a chance to build a stronger sense of self-worth and confidence in relationships. Address any insecurities or fears that might be holding you back from fully investing in your relationships. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negative impacts of Saturn's retrograde, Aquarius natives should consider writing down their thoughts and feelings. Regular journaling can be therapeutic, helping you process emotions, set goals, and clarify your thoughts, making it easier to navigate this introspective period. Let's explore the impact of Saturn's retrograde on Pisces from June 29 to November 15, 2024. During this period, Saturn will be in your first house, making you more introspective. You will be focused on yourself, gaining valuable insights and experiencing significant self-growth and transformation. You might reflect on past relationships and their emotional dynamics, feeling weighed down by matters of the heart. This is the time to explore past pain and let go of anything that hinders your ability to love fully and be happy. Your relationships might reveal new truths during this retrograde. Face these revelations calmly and thoughtfully, avoiding impulsive reactions that could complicate things. To enhance the positive effects and mitigate any negative impacts of Saturn's retrograde, Pisces natives should engage in expressive arts therapy such as painting, clay, modeling, or dancing. These creative outlets will help you express your emotions constructively, alleviating stress and burdens. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and share it with your friends and relatives. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. We wish you all the best and eagerly look forward to meeting you in other videos. Goodbye and Namaste.